Fix it right. Mastering simple present tense error correction. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most basic, yet crucial aspects of English grammar, the simple present tense. We're not just learning about it, though. We'll sharpen our skills by identifying errors and correcting them. Let's fix those errors and perfect our simple present tense. The simple present tense, as the name suggests, talks about habits, general truths, or unchanging situations. The structure is pretty straightforward. With he, she, it, we usually add s or s to the base form of the verb. With I, you, we, they, we use the base form of the verb. For example, he runs every morning. They eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Even though the simple present tense seems easy, it's common to make mistakes. These often happen with third-person singular subjects, where people forget to add s or s to the verb. For example, one might say, he run every morning, instead of, he runs every morning. Now that we know the common mistakes, let's practice with some error correction exercises. I will present you with sentences, and you will find and correct the errors. 1. She likes playing soccer. Correct version. She likes playing soccer. 2. They enjoys playing chess. Correct version. They enjoy playing chess. 3. I goes to the gym regularly. Correct version. I go to the gym regularly. 4. He don't like coffee. Correct version. He doesn't like coffee. Remember, practice is the key. The more you practice, the more these structures will become second nature to you. That wraps up our session on error correction in the simple present tense. I hope this video helps you avoid common mistakes and boosts your confidence in using the simple present tense. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master it. Happy learning, and see you in our next grammar adventure.